All right guys, Chris with Driver Motorsports here. We got another car on the dyno. This is a little bit different than the other ones we've done so far. This one's heavily modified. It's got a built engine, built by us, built by Josh, I should say. We had some machine work done to it. We put CP pistons and rods in there. It's got Greddy 264 cams in it, a Greddy T78 turbo, oil cooler, all the other supporting mods, exhaust, etc. This thing is pretty badass. We're expecting a big number, so let's see what she does. We dynoed this car. It made 510 horsepower and right at 400 foot-pounds of torque. This was on 20 PSI because we're still on 93 octane, so we can't turn it up but so high. Now, if you put race gas in here, turn up the boost, easily 600, maybe 650 to the wheels. We don't even want to get into, at the crank again on the horsepower. So really good numbers. It is kind of tuned on a little bit of an antiquated system. It's got a stock ECU with an HKS VPC. So if you buy this car, which it is for sale, we can put a Haltech on it, tune it, fine tune it, and get you better numbers for sure. Make sure you like and subscribe to our videos and look for more awesome dyno videos coming from Driver Motorsports.